Good evening, guys. It's already, what time is it? 5 o'clock? 6 o'clock? Nandito tayo sa my French Creek and hindi namin alam kung trespassing kami dito. We're looking to go to French Creek Trestle, pero parang hindi to yung right spot. Hopefully hindi kami nagte-trespassing. This is a farm place, so we're walking. Yung mga kasama natin doon sa unahan, ayun sila, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan sila, naglalakad sila. Ito yung farm. Kung makikita nyo, may alpaca doon. Ayan alfalfa. Ewan ko kung tawag dyan. Ayan. Yan yung farm. And ito po sila. Naglalakad sila. Ayan po. Hopefully wala pong bear dito. We don't know what's going on. We're just gonna give it a shot. And sila, they're walking. So we're entering the forest. We're risking our lives here. Let's see how beautiful it is. Bida-bida tayo. No? Wrong?
Oh, diba? Airport. Baka doon. Doon yung Riles, di ba?
Oh, baka hindi, dapat doon na tayo, doon sa may Riles, doon tayo mag-ano.
Abay ba natin Riles?
Oo. So guys, wrong turn tayo, wrong turn. Dito yung tamang place. May pinagtanungan tayo kung saan siya. Ito yung right spot. So pakita ko sa inyo. There you go. That's where we're going. At the end of the road, you will see the trestle. At ayun si Chuchay. Kumo-content. Kumo-content. Ayan po. Dito lang yan, malapit sa Parksville. Mga 10-minute drive. French Creek Trestle. Ito po ay dating railroad. Still existing but not functional anymore. Oh! Are you there?
Ito na yan?
Holy moly!
Ha? O sa dulo pa?
Hindi ka na pwedeng tumawid dyan, baliw.
Baka malaglag
Malaglag
ka.
ka dyan, hindi mo naman ano yung kahoy dyan.
Ang laki ng butas. Oh, I don't wanna go there. I just wanna see it. Hoy, baka yung kahoy niyan, Joel, marupok na. Bigla kang bumagsak. Kahit
Matagal
na.
na kasi yan eh.
Actually, pwede kang bumaba doon, no? Ito na po yung ano, trestle. Uy!
Oo, baka cellphone yan.
Ayan sila, oh. Kakatakot, oh. Siyempre, me as a malulain, I won't go there. I won't even dare.
Hindi ka nga pwede dito, maano ka.
Hoy, wag ka dyan!
Parang may pinupuntahan silang ano pa, di ba? Yung ganun-ganon.
Hindi ka maglakad.
Ayan sila, oh, guys. So, maganda sana siya, oh. Lalo na kapag nag-iba na yung kulay niya. Hindi pa siya nag-turn ng color. Yun nga lang, nalulula ako. I can't stand it. So, I'm gonna go back. Ayan po, nagpipictorial sila. Bumalik na ako kasi hindi ko kaya. Nalulula, okay. But it's beautiful, it's pretty. Ayan. Pictorial.
Ang ganda nga. Huwag kasi 0.5, ganito po. Okay, yan. Kanya ka lang. 1, 2. O, yung kita. 1, 2. Tingin ka dito. 1, 2. Oh, diba? Isa pa.
Niloloko ko nito.
No video.
Hello guys.
Masira na nga.
Still weekend, Sunday today.
Sunday.
Yeah, we're going to we're here at Englishman River Falls.
Pets on list dapat daw.
Wow! Ba't nakakawala ka? Kung pinakiwalan yung alaga mo.
Ano daw yan?
Nandito tayo ngayon.
Wala ako.
In search for in search for salmon and bear. But we have a bear spray.
Yeah. Yun ang pampalo.
Tsaka may kasama tayong bear.
Ayun ang right. Ayun ang harap.
Jelly bean.
Ay, sorry.
Ay, taray. Dati, lakad-lakad siya. Wala siyang kasama.
Ano daw?
Ha?
Nakapiti.
Mga kapiting.
Hindi na tayo sa
Nakalimutan yung
tayo.
Ano na siya? Happy camper na siya ngayon.
Ka doon.
Ayun na, may kaangkla.
Dagang mami. Bakit yung dahil dito? Maliit lang.
Ano mas isira nito?
Nadaan mo sa katana. Ay, hindi may pet.
Mas maasim na sa unahan. Oh, bida-bida. Oh.
Hindi rin na kasi.
Tatalino. Tatalino. Taja.
Ayaw mo muna, i-scan mo muna kasi ano yun.
Wow! Wow! Ang ganda ng
Ito sila,
daan.
oh. Ano kaya yan? Ha?
Nag-iisip pa siya ng activity. Gusto niya activity.
Kantado.
Pero parang shortcut yan. Ayun pa yun.
Ayun na may tuloy, oh.
Ayun na. Ay, lalo. Ay, namamagsuro. Sabi pa.
Wow, Pilipinas
Paano
siya.
pag-French? Excuse mo. Pardon.
Cordon.
Pardon. Excuse mo.
Ayun na nagkakad sila.
Oh my God. Ayun na pinaglalakad.
Ay, ayan! May salmon. I told you.
Laki.
That's the salmon.
Ang laki.
Isa lang.
Pating yan.
Ang pasin ko kaya, no, para may ulam tayo.
Gago.
Gusto mo pasin ko to para may ulam tayo? Yan, laki, oh.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday long weekend. Thanksgiving tomorrow. We're going to church today. It's raining.
Thanksgiving Mass. Ay, do you know the Thanksgiving Mass?
Yeah.
The movie, no? Iniiwan ko ba ito sa labas?
Hey guys, we're here at Nanaimo. After namin mag-church, we went for lunch and then dumaan kami Walmart. Pero hindi na ako nag-vlog doon. Right now, we're here at Costco. We're buying some stuff because we're cooking for our Christmas. Ay, Christmas. Ano na yun?
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving dinner. So, samahan niyo kami. Tingnan mo to. Mixer.
Mixer?
So Joel's buying steak.
Sino 82 dun eh.
Ano bilhin mo?
Ano?
So hindi kami makapag-decide kung ano aming bibili na steak kasi napakamahal. Nata mo, $80.
$80 for 4. That's 20 each.
I know, $20 each. Oh, parang kumain ka din sa labas.
Sa labas, di ba?
That's okay.
What do you think? This one or that one?
Parang ano na lang tayo, yung manok na lang tayo dun, oh.
Yes. This one is thin. Boneless rib steak. Huwag siya naman ipis to.
Did you find it? So guys, we're done shopping at Costco. Tumigil na yung ulan. So now, we are going to Marshall or Winners. Oh, sorry. Lalagyan namin yung aming mga pinamili sa loob ng kotse. Konti lang ang ating pinamili. Yan lang guys. But that's already $200.
Because we're having a steak night tonight.
Steak night tonight. So expensive. Oh, $90 for steak. 4 na piraso lang siya. Pero pwede na rin kasi kung kakain ka sa labas.
That's $60 per steak. That depends on the steak.
Yeah, $60. So, pwede na rin. Mahal na talaga ang bilihin ngayon, wala nang mura. Paano kaya pag wala kang trabaho, paano ka mabubuhay? Siyempre wala kang trabaho eh.
Siya na lang ang mahal mo.
Isa na lang ang mahal. Ha?
Ay, picture of this.
O, tingnan mo. Kalandian mo.
Costco finds.
Costco find. Ang flavor niya is caramel popcorn.
Turtles, our favorite.
Ang harap. Sarap na? Turtle chips. Harap. Bili kayo guys. Pero malamang wala na to sa susunod. Kasi ngayon ko lang nakita to eh, no?
Pero matabang siya sa caramel, no?
At least hindi siya masyado matamis. Sarap. Bili kayo. Dumating ka na pala eh. Ayan po, next stop natin. HomeSense, Winners. Bili tayo ng mga kung anik-anik. Nalilito ako.
Mas mura yan eh. Yung isa, Kitchen 8.20.
Ah, okay. Magkano?
Yan 7 lang yan eh. Hindi ka naman lagi nag-steak eh. That one, the first one you got.
This one?
Yeah, this one.
This one?
I like that better.
So,
How much is that?
$9.
$9. Huh. Oh yeah, no, Happy Kid.
Yeah, happy.
Magkano? How much is that?
20.
How much is this? 14?
10.
Oh yan, maganda yan. Yan, toner pad.
Saan galing? Ano ang pangalan yun? $12. Dahil shopping. Good afternoon, guys. After natin pumunta sa Nanaimo, nandito na ulit tayo sa Parksville. Ngayon ay maglalakad muna tayo for an afternoon walk dito sa Retrobur Beach, dito sa Parksville. So, papalipas muna tayong oras. We're gonna walk. Tatak sa inyo guys yung view natin.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything's the same.
Hey, hey, it's so cold. Malamig ngayon. Kaya musok yung bibig namin, no? Kapag nagsasalita kami. Ayun, no? Sa kabila, forest. Sa kabila, ocean. Yan ang ating view for our walk this afternoon. It's chilly. Malamig sa kamay. Saka sa tenga. So, hindi pa naman kami fully geared today. Naka-ano lang kami, raincoat. Hindi siya makapal. That's okay.
But you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart. I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me. Sorry you have changed now, but it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. I keep on
Nasa tabing dagat tayo. Ayan yung view natin. Yung side na yon, Nanus Bay. That's Nanus Bay. And then, that's the forest side. And then, this is the ocean side. And then, yung island na yan is Lasqueti. Lasqueti Island. So, may ferry pupunta dyan. You can travel, but that's a remote area. Wala siyang, as far as I know, wala siyang kuryente. So, off the grid ang tinatawag. Off grid. Hindi pa kami nakapunta dyan, but next time we can visit there.
mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart. I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again.
Hey guys, nandito na tayo sa bahay. Alas 8 na ng gabi. We are preparing our dinner, our Thanksgiving dinner. So, nakasalang na yung ating minestrone soup. Look at that. I'm preparing to cook for the pasta sauce, and then we'll make a steak later with my assistant.
And biscuit.
And I'm gonna do biscuit from the box. So I'll update you later.
Ooh, look at that. Lots of look.
Extend ka pang konti.
Swimming.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ano sabi?
Video ka.
Ano daw?
See you again.
See you again.
See you again ka pa dyan, ha?
Nalulubog nga daw siya. Bye, bye, bye. See
Kasi
you again.
mag-swimming siya.
So guys, we're cooking the cookie. We're doing our steak. We're gonna wrap it with salt.
Salt and
A lot of,
pepper.
A lot of
Full peppercorn.
full peppercorn.
Ay, nasunog na itong ano mo.
Ano yun?
Sarap yan na maraming pepper.
And then we still put some powder. Saffron. Let's put a lot of salt. Are you putting this one?
Just a little bit. May powder na may ano naman.
Pagkano sila yoga? Yoga.
Si Pati si Papa?
Nililiting lang daw siya. Pagka umabot daw, magpapalalo daw.
Mga.
So guys, we're cooking our steak.
Steak, ang bango.
So, sinisir natin siya. Mga naka 2 minutes na tayo. 2 minutes.
Tapos bawang. Bawang. Bango. Ano lang? Rare. Ay, talaga. Ang talaga. Ooh.
$160 to $180. So guys, luto na ang ating dinner. Meron tayong steak. Feeling ko na well done siya. But,
Kung gusto nila.
and then, Joe's preparing the wine. They have wine, we have soup, minestrone soup, and pasta for dinner, and some biscuit. Hindi ko maubos eh.
Maghati talaga.
Yes!
Happy
Let's eat,
Thanksgiving!
guys. Thanksgiving! Ako, nakaano pa ako. Ganito pa ako.
Asa na siya?
Kain tayo!
Ano mo na soup?
Platinum, $400 in annual credits for travel
May pa kayo, oh.
means you not only
Wala.
of Amex.
Ilang suminom ka?
No, I'm not.
Very grateful.
Grateful for everything. Hey guys, it's us. This one is soup. Soupas. Can I take one?
And then we have soup. Minestrone.
Let's open this one now.
Good morning, guys. Sleeping time. Thanksgiving Day. Happy Thanksgiving. Celebration is done. Sleeping time. It's already 2 o'clock in the morning. So we need to sleep. Thank you for watching this vlog, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click that notification bell. This is CC Jam saying God bless you all, be kind, and live your life to the fullest. We'll see you on our next vlog. Bye. Park. Hey guys, good afternoon. Happy Thanksgiving Day. We're here at, what's this, Comox?
Coastal Block.
Coastal Block. Here in Comox, I think.
Winery to, winery. Ano yung tawag na?
We're gonna visit this. It's our first time to see this place. Let's take a look.
There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people. Yung entrance. Ayan, pump. Ito yung entrance. Welcome to Pumpkinhead Coastal Block Winery. That thing.
So look at that, guys. The pumpkin is so big. Oh, there you go. Laki oh. Tumayo ka, Joel. Tumabi ka sa pumpkin to see how big the pumpkin is. Look at that. Big pumpkin.
Pumpkin Fest. Perfect. Video. Ay, mag-ano yata yan yung babaril. Mini donut ba yan? Bibili ka ng mini donut?
Just mustard?
Ayaw nga, no? May ayaw nga, no? Ang ganda ng bika na to. Look. Pretty. Sana may ibukan yung ano niya.
Alis naman, pinutulila yung bunto. Magkano yung ano nila?
Corn cannon. Ayan o, corn cannon. $2. Corn cob. $2 per corn cob?
Oo. $10 pagka 6.
Arit. Jumping pillow. Ah, yung ano natin. Yun doon, no? Yung tayo nila Ate Gina. Hay bale maize. Hey, here. Here. Ooh, up. It's the wrong way. Wrong way. Here. Nasaan ka? The wrong way. Ano kita dito? Video kita. Perfect.
Yeah. Just like, yeah, man.
It's great.
This guy all that or doesn't even talk yet. Let's go.
We are riding.
Yes. Tayo. Cornmaze. Pasok kami sa Cornmaze ngayon.
Yes, we're going to the Cornmaze. This is a BC version. We've been to Alberta
Several times.
Paulit-ulit.
Paulit-ulit.
Is this the star?
I'm not sure.
Let's take a look.
Enter at your own risk. What?
Enter.
Yeah. Enter, exit. So we're gonna enter the Cornmaze. It's what time? 3:42. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's see if we can figure it out. Sa Alberta, yung Cornmaze natin doon, no? Merong
May
mga
questions
to guide you kung paano ka makalagay. But this one, wala. Just
Oh, sa atin may questions.
straight
Para alam mo kung left or right ka pupunta.
Cornmaze lang siya. So,
This one siguro siya nakakaligaw na masyado. Kasi straightforward lang siya.
hindi siya complicated.
Hindi siya yung parang marami. Sa atin kasi parang
Malaki
meron siyang
kasi,
design eh. Or plano or alam mo yun?
I can hear people.
Acorn. Pero hindi pwedeng kainin yung mga ano dito. Mga corn.
Pang ano lang yan, baboy.
Pang hayop lang to.
Baka, baboy.
Pero ang lalaki. Para siya sweet corn na Jams. Kulay yellow.
Yes.
Yan o, look. Oh, look.
So guys, that's the end of our Cornmaze trip. We cheated.
We cheated. We just followed the kids.
the leader. We followed the leader.
We followed the kids.
Yeah. And that ends
The Cornmaze.
in Cornmaze.
Cornmaze in Alberta, it will take you like an hour.
Yes.
Or more than an hour.
Before you can get out. Here, it's
10
kind of
minutes.
small. And it's kind of easy. There, it's a big.
It's a big maze.
Yeah.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try.
So guys, that's the end of our pumpkin festival here.
Pumpkin Fest. Thanksgiving.
So we're going home. We'll see where we can drop by. We're looking for some rivers where there is
Salmon Run.
salmon run. But if not, we're just going for,
Quick snack.
yes, we'll see where we can get into. Stay tuned guys. See you later. Bye. Hey, we're having late lunch. Dito kami sa Parksville community. So mag-ano muna tayo, kakain muna tayo. Ayan. Tapos mamaya we go for a walk. Okay? Ano, kain tayo McDonald's. Wala pa kaming lunch. So we're going for a quick walk before going home. Malamig.
Hindi mo sila kumain sila. Hindi mo. Kumain tayo sa labas.
Malamig. Malamig siya. At low tide ang dagat. I'll show it to you. Ayan siya. Kita niyo ba yan guys? Low tide. Pero parang nag-high tide na. Papasok na yung tubig. Sunset is 6:30. Kaya ganyan na yung color nung sky. Beautiful sky. So ayan si Joel naglalakad dito sa boardwalk. And dito sa right side natin is may campground dyan. RB campground. So maraming nagre-rent ng nagka-camping dyan for 1 week, 2 weeks, yung iba a month. Kasi they wanna stay here at Parksville. And then on the right side, left side, that's the ocean view. See? So pag dito ka nga nag-RV, you will have ocean view all day. Hey guys, as you can see, sunset at the background with the ocean view.
Pagod tayo?
Huh? Sure.
My fingers dito.
Yeah.
Alamig.
So guys, we're going home. That concludes our vlog. Thank you for watching. We'll see kung may dadagdag pa tayo dito. Otherwise, that's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave me some comments. As always, this is EC Drum saying God bless you all, be kind, and live your life to the fullest. We'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.